Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's Art.
We are going to learn how to draw and paint a peacock in Sohrai art style. Left 1.5 centimeter for the border, and I'm marking 1 centimeter all over so that my border lines are equal. Sohrai painting background is white only. चूने की पेंटिंग करते हैं दीवार पे और वही वाइट कलर यूज होता है। तो ये हम सेमी सर्कल्स बना रहे हैं। और सेमी सर्कल के बीच में ये 3 लाइंस बनेंगी ब्लैक कलर से। ये फर्स्ट कोट हो रहा है और इसके बाद जब ये सूख जाएगा तब मैं इसके ऊपर सेकंड कोट करूंगी। ये मेरे हाथ में 00 नंबर ब्रश और ये पैडियो का पेंट है।
We'll use the colors which are natural, earth-toned palette derived from clay, soil and charcoal to create vivid, monochromatic or limited color designs. Key colors include white, which is made by kaolin or dudi mitti, black. Black is normally made by manganese or coal. Red is made by gerua, red ochre and yellow. Yellow is made by pili mitti, sometimes featuring brown clay. They use the green also sometimes from the leaves. So these all are natural colors which are used in Sohrai art.
रेड स्टोन का क्रिम्सन कलर है। बेसिकली इसको हम हिंदी में गेरू का रंग कहते हैं। So now I'm giving the first layer of crimson.
Sohrai is a traditional mural painting from the Hazaribagh region of Jharkhand, India. It is rich in motifs centered around nature, fertility and daily life, typically created during the harvest festival. The designs are drawn freehand by women using natural earth pigments. The common motifs found in Sohrai art include animal figures, like for example, deer for festivity, for decoration, nature in vegetation, geometric patterns, fertility symbols, everyday life scenes.
ये सैप ग्रीन है, ओके। और सैप ग्रीन को हम बहुत संभाल के करेंगे। वैसे तो मेरा कैनवस जैसो कोटेड है, लेकिन फिर भी मिनिमम 2 कोट तो देने ही पड़ते हैं। सैप ग्रीन कलर नॉर्मली पत्तियों का रस निकाल के बनाया जाता है।
Now, deer has a very important role in Sohrai art style. Sohrai is there in some part of Odisha also. And the deer represents beauty, grace, and a direct harmonious relationship with the forest and nature. The deer is a popular motif among the tribal communities who practice this art form, opening in harmony with nature, symbol of grace and serenity, symbolic fertility and abundance, guardians, or symbolic meaning. Another one which we are drawing today is a hen. Hen represents fertility and continuity in life. So, hen has hen has been drawn in Sohrai art from ages. It's a symbol of fertility and matriarchy, ritual significance, and domestic life. I hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you for liking and subscribing my YouTube channel. Please share the information about my YouTube channel with your family and friends so that more and more people can get benefit of it. Dhanyavad. Namaste.